Hello everyone and welcome back to Relearning. In the previous video we have studied about noun, and in this video we are going to study about singular and plural nouns. So let's get into more details about how to change a singular noun into plural and see the rules for them. Okay, let's begin. Singular means only one, while plural means more than one. In order to make a noun plural, it is usually necessary to add s. However, there are many irregular nouns that add es. The rules for spelling plural nouns are based on the letters at the end of the word. So these all are the things which we have to consider for changing a singular noun to plural. Okay, so let's get into the rules. There are rules for changing singular nouns to plural nouns. Most nouns form their plural by adding s, as the examples are given in this chart. The first is bee. Now, if you add s to bee, it becomes bees. So, singular noun is bee while the plural is bees. Next example is tree, which becomes trees, while rose by adding s becomes roses. House becomes houses, cat becomes cats, and apple becomes apples. So these all are the examples for changing the singular noun to plural by adding s at the end. Let's see the next one. Nouns ending in s, double s, x, sh or ch form their plural by adding es, as the first example is gas. If you add es to gas, it becomes gases. Now in this example you can see that gas ends with s, so we have to add their es. Let's see the next example, that is box. Box ends with x, so we have to add es to it and it becomes boxes. Dish becomes dishes. Then glass becomes glasses, while brush, which ends with sh, becomes brushes. Watch becomes watches. In all the examples over here, you can see that these words are ending with s, double s, x, sh or ch, and by adding es at the end, the word changes from singular noun to plural noun. Let's see the next rule. The next rule is, if a noun is ending in a consonant plus y, the plural is formed by changing y into ies. Let's see the example. Singular noun baby. Now here the noun is ending with consonant plus y. Now consonant here is b and plus y. So what we have to do is we have to change it into ies. Now the spelling becomes babies, babies. Singular was baby while plural is babies. Next example, cherry. Now here also it is ending with consonant plus y. The consonant is r while also there is y. So what we have to do is we have to change the y into ies. So cherry becomes cherries. Next is puppy. Puppy becomes puppies. Here also the y is changed into ies. Then lily becomes lilies. Then trophy becomes trophies. Diary becomes diaries. In all the examples you can see we have changed the y into ies. Now by using the following rule, you can change the singular noun into plural by changing the y into ies. This rule is, if there is consonant plus y, then you have to change the y into ies. Getting it? Let's move on to the next one. The next rule is, if a noun ends in a vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u plus y, then the plural is formed by adding s to it. The first example here is toy. Now here in this example toy, you can see there is vowel and it also ends with y. So toy becomes toys. Let's see the next one, that is key. Here also vowel plus y, so we have to add there s. So key becomes keys. Then boy becomes boys. ray becomes rays, monkey becomes monkeys, tray becomes trays. In this way you can see that if a noun is ending with a vowel plus y, so what we have to do is we have to just add their s at the end. So the singular nouns are converted into plural nouns. Okay, getting it? Let's see the next one. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing that f or fe into ves. Getting it? Let's see the example. The first example is leaf. Now leaf ends with f. So what we have to do is we have to change that f into ves. So it becomes leaves. Next is wolf. Wolf also ends with f. It becomes wolves. Then knife becomes knives. Scarf becomes scarves. While calf becomes calves. And thief becomes thieves. In all the examples here you can see that it either ends with f or fe and it is changed into ves to become a plural noun. Okay? Let's see the next one. The following nouns ending in f take only s, like chef becomes chefs, handkerchief becomes handkerchiefs, roof becomes roofs, hoof becomes hoofs, cuff becomes cuffs. In all these examples you can see that the nouns which are ending in f only take s. Getting it? Now let's see the next one. Nouns ending in a consonant plus o generally form their plural by adding es. As the singular noun first one is potato. Now potato, it ends with consonant plus o, so what we have to do is we have to form the plural by adding es to it. Getting it? So potato becomes potatoes. Mango becomes mangoes. Buffalo becomes buffaloes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Mosquito becomes mosquitoes. Getting it? So this was singular and plural. This was the part 1 of this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video and understood the topic very nicely. For part 2, please do subscribe the channel and wait for the next video. If you have enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. If you have any doubts, put down into the comment section and share it with your friends. This is Miss Swapnil signing off. Thank you.